Okay, students. So we are moving forward to star delta starters. So before starting with the star delta starter, there are certain expressions that we have studied in 11th standard in polyphase circuit related to star and delta. That expression is required here in this topic. Now we have studied star connections and delta connections in polyphase circuit, where in star connections we have wires or three conductors R, Y and B, and in between there is a neutral terminal. So in star connection we have studied that the line voltage is equals to root 3 times the phase voltage, and line current is equals to phase current in star connection. In delta connection, we have studied line voltage is equals to phase voltage because there is no neutral in delta connection. The first terminal of the delta winding is connected to the second terminal of the second winding, and so on. So neutral is not possible in delta connection, where line voltage in delta connection is equals to the phase voltage, and line current is equals to root 3 times phase current. So with the help of this expression we will going to study the starter which is used in three phase induction motor. These types of starters are generally used manually. मैंने जहाँ तक इन स्टार्टर्स को देखा है वो देखा है गेहूँ पीसने की जगह पे, जहाँ हम लोग गेहूँ पिसवाते हैं वहाँ मैंने ऐसे स्टार्टर्स को देखा हो। तो इसका एक एप्लीकेशन बन जाता है ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ मोटर्स जो है अबव 5 HP की हो, वहाँ हम लोग ऐसे स्टार्टर्स यूज़ कर पाते हैं. नाउ starting with this motor, you can see that the rotor is squirrel cage and the windings are connected in a fashion like it is neither in star nor in delta initially, but it can be in star and delta because of the connections. Now you can see there are three phase supply which is provided by MSEB. The upper terminal is R, then Y and then B, connected with ICTP switch, which is ironclad triple pole switch, with a fuse individually connected in each phase. Now you can see that the blue terminal is connected to the top terminal of the winding, and the lower two windings are connected with R and Y. Now coming towards this section, you can see that there are start and run written over here, and the two-way switch is connected, where initially the motor is connected to the bottom terminals and later on it is connected to the top terminals. Now the middle section is also known as change over switch, as per it is operated manually. So there is a handle in the middle here, in the middle. So initially when the handle is in middle condition, so motor windings are neither connected in star nor it is connected in delta. So initial case, when the plug or a switch is at the middle position, there is no connection initially. You can see two diagrams here, where the bottom diagram is star connection and the upper diagram is delta connection, which is shaded in black. So initially we have to, as this we will operate manually, so plunger, the middle plunger is in our hand and we have to move it towards the downside at a lower terminal. As it get connected to the lower terminal, the motor is connected in star. Initially the motors get connected in star. जैसे ही मोटर स्टार में कनेक्ट होगा तो व्हाट विल हैपन, यहाँ जैसे ही ये स्टार में कनेक्ट हुआ, बिकॉज ऑफ द स्टार कनेक्शन मोटर विल गेट reduced voltage, because we all know VL is equals to root 3 times V phase. So the phase voltage will become VL by root 3. It means that the voltage will get reduced inside the motor by root 3 times. So जब इन स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर्स से होकर, स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर्स जो इसके अंदर है उससे होकर जब ये मोटर के अंदर जाएगा या फिर स्टेटर के अंदर जाएगा, at that time the voltage will get reduced because initially it is connected in star, so motor voltage will get reduced root 3 times. As motor grabs 70 to 80% of the normal speed, the plunger which is connected in this start terminal, we have to switch it to the run condition which is in delta connection. So in delta VL is equals to root 3 times, in delta VL is equals to V phase. Now initially when it is connected to star connection, the voltage get reduced. With the reduced voltage there will be a reduced amount of rotating magnetic field, and there will be a very less amount of current initially inside the motor. The current will be not 10 times larger, it will be reduced current which is a required current of the rotor. Okay, which is the required current of the rotor. Now what will happen, motor will start safely, it will run. As motor grabs 70 to 80% of the normal speed, the handle we will switch it to the delta connection. As it is connected to the delta connection, now the motor will start getting the rated voltage which is VL is equals to V phase, because motor is actually designed to work on rated voltage. Now the rated voltage of the motor is 440 volt. So initially by adding this starter we reduce the voltage intentionally so that the motor will get protected from very high current. Later on, as we feel that the motor is started, inrush current is eliminated, so we can switch it to the delta connection because already there is back EMF developed inside the motor which reduce the current. So because of the back EMF there will be a reduced current inside the motor and the motor will start running safely.